Morning. Hi guys. It's 12:33. We just woke up. There's Kat and we are watching because it just uploaded, so we were watching it.
Good morning.
I have here my documents because we haven't had any audio in Tonyo for a long time. So have to look for it. What the heck? I think this is what I'm looking for.
You should also go to RBC.
Is this? Yes. Okay. So. Four, 4, 2, 3, 6. Okay, I'll remember that. We're about to leave. We're gonna go eat at Eric's Grill Silog. Oh, Epic Grill Silogs for Silogs. Okay, I'm gonna stop this until we leave.
Dito para tayong dalawa.
No, it's already rolling. Okay, so we're gonna put the code in here. 4, 4, 2, 3, 6. Ba-bam! Finally! Okay, we need to fix the time.
Westminster.
We're gonna drive to Westminster now. Here are the rocks that I collected at White Rock. Okay, so we're gonna drive. This is where we're gonna eat. And their silog is $12.50. They have all of that. And then you can also get combo one, which is 2 meat for $7.95.
Just waiting for receipts per table.
Represent and my Manitoba. What can you say? Here's my order: bangus and corned beef. Cat is tapa and eggs. Tapsalog. Okay. I also have buko juice. So we're gonna eat. You do this too. You put coffee in your. What's this? Sinangag?
That is so weird.
No, it's not. Masarap. This one, the suka is so good, and I finished all of my food.
You guys, bottomless yung kape nila.
True.
If gusto nyo.
I don't know if you can hear this. I don't know if they can hear you.
I think nakakarinig naman sila. Kaya if mapapagpag kayo dito sa Vancouver, try visiting them, Epic Grill Silog. And then, yung coffee nila. Bottomless. Sikkim got a coconut juice. Ano ba?
Buko juice, yeah.
Buko juice. And then I got that silog. And then ikaw?
I already did that. Okay. So we're back in the car. How much did we pay?
We paid $43.
$43. Not bad. Well, actually, pretty expensive for 2 people.
Pretty expensive, but You know guys, yung pagkain nila madamihan, yung tipong pwede mo ma-share sa iba. Like, pwede kayo mag-order ng pang isang tao and then mag-ask na lang kayo ng extra plate. Pwede kayo mag-share. Kaso lang guys, ilang araw na kaming hindi nag-rice kasi nga 'di ba nag-chef's plate kami. Miss ko na yung rice, guys.
True. Ilang araw na kaming walang rice because also we don't have rice at home.
But next week, sorry. Next week, balik tayo sa Filipino foods.
Yes. We are gonna go right now to saan ba tayo? Hindi ko na alam.
Ikot-ikot lang muna.
Sa riverside, diba?
Yeah. Riverman.
Medyo malamig kasi gloomy masyado ang weather. So, we're trying to look for somewhere good to walk. Do I have muta?
I forgot the name.
Riverside Quay?
River something.
Okay. Anyways, we're gonna drive, so we'll see you in a bit. We are here. We parked here. There's a parking downstairs. Cat farted in the car and it smells. Aminin mo na. Aminin mo sa lahat. Aminin mo sa lahat.
Ano?
Aminin mo na yung ginawa.
Ikaw talaga yun, hindi talaga ako.
Napakalayo nito. Okay, lalabas na kami dito. Magbabayad muna kami ng parking tapos lalabas kami. Hala, ang lakas. Bam! I think this is where our friend is gonna live. Right on the waterfront. Wow. Wow, that's so amazing. See? So nice. And then there are shops and everything right in front. Wow. Wow. I'm so excited for them to move here because we'll have more people to hang out with. And they're gonna have a baby. Right?
Very excited.
Yeah, so we're gonna walk here and see what we can find and stuff. Oh, there's parking here pala din. So this is what you can visit in New West, yung river market nila. I'm pretty sure you can ride that to have dinners at night on certain days of the summer. Not sure if people can go down there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is a restaurant, I think. So peaceful. It's a bit cold today, guys, because it's supposed to be raining. Like the forecast said that it's gonna rain 100%, but it's not too rainy right now. Guys, imagine like staying there. I think that's a hotel. It's called Inn at the Quay. So we're gonna just walk. Oh, ito pala yun. Yeah. Paddle wheeler riverboat tours is what it's called. Paddle wheeler pub. Oh, that's a big company. And then they also have Q to Q ferry to Queensboro. I don't know where Queensboro is. Yeah. Okay. So we'll keep walking. Wow. It's really like living in a new country or a different country when you move to Vancouver from another province, because it's really unlike any other province. Right?
Ano?
Do you agree?
Ano?
That living in Vancouver versus like another province is like living in a different country?
Oh yeah.
People are different, fashion is different, and the environment is so different. This is Simon Fraser. I hope you were not racist. There's a river market food hall right there. Anyways, this is a really nice place to take your families if you want to visit BC. There's a ice cream shop there too. Lots of boats.
Lamig guys.
Yeah, it's windy.
Tatanggalin ko yung mask ko, alam nyo. Lalamigan ako ng sobra. Okay naman yung weather kasi mahangin lang talaga.
Mahangin na malamig na hangin.
Oo, lalo na ano, malapit sa tubig tayo. Kaya
My tallest... Ano yun? Ano yun? Nakalagay? Tallest... the tallest soldier.
ayan.
Tin soldier. Okay, we'll video it right now. And
the whole world in order to make them bigger statue.
okay, let's read it. So this is made out of sheet metal, and it's built as a labor of love, actually. Well, it says anyways. It's 9.75 meters. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. Do you like that?
It's cute.
Yeah. And there's a little playground behind. So, yeah. I think this one is a discovery center. Yeah, I wonder what's in there. Probably good to bring kids.
Yeah.
Maybe Carmela, you can come here if you're watching. Come here, Ella. Look. There's... Ella is my little sister, by the way. She's 4. Free admission on family day. Wow. You wanna go inside?
Right across the Discovery Center, merong market sa ano ka na ba?
Ito na.
Okay yan guys.
Sa across.
Discovery Center.
Yeah.
That's their City Avenue.
It looks like it's a farmer's market type of thing. City Avenue. Maybe like all locally produced. Okay, let's go inside. Ooh, upo. Or sayote. Okay, I'm back. Ano yan?
Meron ako nito dati sa Pilipinas. Pero ibang brand, Philippine made.
Ano yan?
Yung pang breath spray.
So I went to the washroom, guys, because I really couldn't concentrate anymore. Like I really had to go pee. But I discovered if you don't want to walk outside, you can just walk that way, and there's a lot more shops over there. So pretty cool. Incense, we like that stuff.
Oh my god, it smells so
Can I-
good.
Oh, it smells good. It smells like SM.
It's tropical.
Oh, that's why.
It's important.
Should we buy one? Sure. So mga all natural pala ang mga tinda nila dito, like a farmer's market. Very sustainable, very organic. And we're gonna buy this kasi mag sinigang kami this week. You know, I really want to have all organic things sa bahay too kasi I want to be sustainable for the earth. Pero talaga minsan it's just so expensive, you know? And why is it so expensive to care about earth? That's my problem. See, kasi ang ganda. All natural lang nilalagay mo sa body mo. Ayan, may tiger balm din sila dito. Really cool. I have my ninjum. Have you guys known ninjum? Hold on. So going out of the city market, grocery store, or produce store, there's a restaurant here, bubble tea place, and the washrooms. Mag-washroom ka ba? Okay. Ayun na. May mga little tables na mga craft stuff. We're just gonna look around. Look at that. Ang daming matitignan dito sa mga markets. Dito pala. Ano to? Oh, chocolate bar. Tapos yung tiny candles and stuff. Oh, that's why it smells like flowers. Because there's a flower store. And message locket. So cute. They have games. And bookstore. Cute. Look guys, it's my brand.
Medyo umuulan na siya, guys.
Yeah, so we're gonna go now. Because
Yeah.
our parking is only 1 hour. But it was also reimbursed at the
City
market.
City market, yeah.
Yeah. It's really windy now. Can you hear it? Yeah. There's a lot of things to look at in there. Okay, we're gonna go. What was that? Was that thunder? Was that thunder? Oh, I see. We thought we were locked out because we couldn't figure out how to go downstairs.
It only says call.
And it doesn't say actually use the elevator. Anyways, that's all for today. Okay, we're in the parking lot now. Maybe we should not be in the middle of the way.
Okay.
So many things to see. I love that place.
True. Nakaka-enjoy. Especially siguro pag maaraw, no? Ngayon kasi makulimlim and maulan.
You know what? I think my mom is gonna enjoy it there. My dad is gonna enjoy it there. Out there's so many things to look at. And Brianna, I'm gonna enjoy it there. At the market, we just bought eggs. We bought organic eggs. Organic eggs and like something for the brains. Like concentration and something I forgot, but yeah, lots of things to see. This cat. What else did we buy? Ano?
There's a sanitizer.
It's something. Sa city market.
Oh, we bought the wood incense. Kasi Mahilig ako sa ganon. Mahilig kami actually sa ganon.
Yeah, honestly, our house is full of like things that you light up in order to get rid of energy, bad energy. So pristine place.
And then
we have the sage, we have the Palo Santo, now we have incense.
Yeah, we have that.
Divine vibes.
And then we also have, we also bought tomatoes, and then hindi na namin tinuloy yung spinach kasi ano sabi mo?
We bought another thing because we always use spinach to mix in with all of our soup. So we just bought kailan? Chow, I don't know.
Tapos bumili din kami ng may 3.9 si Kim na hot chocolate, pero ipapakita
siguro next vlog or something.
Yeah, next vlog ipapakita niya kung ano yung binili niya. It's a Hello Kitty na hot chocolate, pero isang pakete lang trinay namin. And also bumili din kami ng memory enhancer.
Yeah, I told them about that.
Yeah, bumili kami nun.
It's only like 3 vials, but it was $14. But we wanna try it.
Yeah, we wanna try it. Meron kaming ginkgo biloba guys, pero
sa bahay.
Kasi nga sumasakit yung ulo din ni Kim. Hindi naman siya everyday gumagamit ha. Ako din, hindi din ako everyday gumagamit.
Just when you need that extra kick.
Yeah, so I guess dito na naman tatapusin yung vlog namin ngayon.
We're gonna go buy a gift for our friend.
Yeah, it's his birthday tomorrow, pero isa-celebrate on Monday.
It's his birthday on Monday, and we're gonna celebrate it on Monday. We're gonna have lunch. So we are gonna go out to buy a gift right now. We're not gonna film it because then it's not a surprise.
True, and then ngayon
although this might be late of an upload, probably.
Yeah, late na nyo na ito mapapanood. But yeah, birthday niya is on February 21.
Yeah, 21. And tomorrow is our other friend Anna's birthday.
Yes,
hi
Anna
Pisces baby.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Alright, okay guys. Bye.